Hello everyone, for today's video I will be showing to you how you get on your notifications from your Gmail account. So we're supposed to receive our important message or emails from our sender. So just open your Gmail account and there's a three line from your left side of your home page, and just click it, scroll it down, and you can see the settings below. Click settings and general settings. So default notification action or manage notification. You just need to click the manage notifications, and here you can allow notification from your Gmail account. So if you turn it off, you cannot receive any notification from your status bar, from your screen. And now we're gonna turn it on. So just click this one and it will pop up which thing that you want to need. You can customize whether you want to on and or it off. It doesn't matter if you can on, and you cannot turn off everything. You can turn on or turn off it anytime that you want. So now we're gonna turn it off, and I hope guys it help you to receive all your important messages from them or emails. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel.